Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Common questions and answers. What's your name?
I am Alex.
How old are you?
I am 18 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Smith.
What do you do after school?
I play soccer with friends.
What's your favorite hobby?
I like drawing pictures.
What's for lunch today?
I have a sandwich and an apple.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a scientist.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have a sister.
What's your sister's name?
Her name is Emma.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I enjoy reading.
What do you want for your birthday?
I want a new bike.
How many friends do you have?
I have 3 friends.
What's your favorite animal?
I like dolphins.
What's your school's mascot?
Our mascot is a lion.
What do you want to learn in school?
I want to learn about space.
What's your morning routine?
I brush my teeth and eat breakfast.
What sports do you play?
I play soccer and basketball.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love mangoes.
How do you spend weekends?
I play video games and relax.
Do you like to dance?
No, I'm not a good dancer.
Do you have a bedtime?
Yes, I go to bed at 9 p.m.
How often do you study?
I study every day.
Where do you go after school?
I go to home.
What does your teacher teach?
My teacher teaches English.
When do you have lunch?
I have lunch at noon.
Why do you like science?
I like science because it's interesting.
Who helps you with homework?
My mom helps me.
How much time do you spend playing games?
I play games for 1 hour.
Where do you play with your friends?
I play with my friends in the park.
Why is math important?
Math is important for solving problems.
Do you enjoy reading books?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
What subjects do you study in school?
I study math, science, and English.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Where does your family go on weekends?
We go to the beach.
Why do you wear a school uniform?
I wear a uniform to look neat.
How often do you visit the library?
I visit the library once a week.
Who cooks dinner in your house?
My mom cooks dinner.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a doctor.
Why do you like rainy days?
I like rainy days because I can play inside.
When do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrate my birthday in April 21st.
What do you do in your free time?
I play video games in my free time.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to the mountains.
How does exercise help you?
Exercise keeps me healthy.
Why is it important to eat vegetables?
Eating vegetables is good for your health.
What animals do you like?
I like cats and dogs.
Where do you do your homework?
I do my homework at my desk.
Why do you wear shoes to school?
I wear shoes for protection.
When do you usually go to the grocery store?
We go to the store on Saturdays.
What is your favorite food?
Pizza is my favorite food.
How do you travel to school?
I go to school by bus.
Why do you like summer?
I like summer because of the warm weather.
How many hours do you sleep at night?
I sleep for 8 hours.
Why do you need to drink water?
Drinking water keeps me hydrated.
What do you like about your school?
I like the friendly teachers at my school.
How do you go to the park?
I go to the park by bike.
Why do you need to listen in class?
Listening helps me learn new things.
What do you want to learn next?
I want to learn to play the guitar.
When do you feel happy?
I feel happy when I'm with my friends.
What do you do before going to school?
I eat breakfast before going to school.
What's your current job?
I work as a software developer.
Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I find it challenging and fulfilling.
How many hours do you work per week?
I typically work 30 hours a week.
What's your role in the company?
I am a marketing coordinator.
How do you commute to work?
I drive to work every day.
Do you have a designated lunch break?
Yes, I have a 1-hour lunch break.
How do you handle workplace stress?
I take short breaks and practice mindfulness.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.